Hi guys, welcome to my channel. There's one of our subscriber requested this math tutorial for his reference. This is about illustrating and graphing a linear function. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel for more videos, and also you can request in the comment section about math topic and I will respond to it in a video tutorial. Now, our objectives in this video are how to illustrate and graph a linear function, represent linear function as an equation and a graph. So, ipapakita natin kung paano i-solve ang isang linear equation bilang linear function. So first, what is linear function? Linear function is a function that has either one or two variables without exponents. Also, it can be written in the form fx equals mx plus b, where m and fx are not both equal to 0, where m tells us the slope of the line, and b tells us where the graph crosses the y-axis. As you can see, fx equals mx plus b is familiar to all of us, and it's a slope-intercept form. So what is a function? Function whose graph is a straight line in a set of x and y, which is x is the abscissa, horizontal or x-axis, and y is the ordinate, vertical or y-axis in a graph. Y equals fx, so that's why fx equals mx plus b and y equals mx plus b are the same and called the slope-intercept form. So, tatandaan natin na ang graph is a straight line and the formula needed is fx equals mx plus b. Now, in our first problem is 2x plus y equals 6. But before that, we need to learn the 3 steps of solving and graphing the linear function. Step 1. Find the x and y intercept of the linear equation. Step 2. Plot the x and y intercept in the rectangular coordinate system or Cartesian plane. Step 3. Connect the points of the intercept. So first, find the x and y intercept of the linear equation. Let y be 0. 2x plus 0 equals 6. So 2x equals 6. Divide both sides by 2. So the answer is x minus 3 or 3 comma 0. Let x be 0. 2 times 0 plus y equals 6. So the answer is y equals 6 or 0 comma 6. Second, plot the x and y intercept in the rectangular coordinate system or Cartesian plane. So we need to put the 2 points in the Cartesian plane, 3, 0 and 6, 0. Third, connect the points on the intercept. And that's the solution to our first given problem. And now the second and third problem. So step 1, find the x and y intercept. Let y be 0. X minus 2 times 0 equals 4. So the answer is x equals 4. 4 comma 0. Let x be 0. 0 minus 2y equals 4. So negative 2y equals 4. Divide both sides by negative 2. So the answer is y equals negative 2 or 0 comma negative 2. And then plot the 2 points, 4 comma 0 and 0 comma negative 2. And then connect. Next. Step 1. Let y be 0. 2x plus 4 times 0 equals 8. So 2x equals 8, divide both sides by 2. So the answer is x equals 4 or 4 comma 0. Let x be 0. 2 times 0 plus 4y equals 8. So 4y equals 8. Divide both sides by 4. And the answer is y equals 2 or 0 comma 2. And then plot the 2 points in the Cartesian plane. 4 comma 0 and 0 comma 2. And then connect. And that's all you need to do when solving a linear equation as linear function. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share to your friends. Thanks for my subscriber for requesting it.